Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Canon in D on the flute. First, ensure you hold your flute with a relaxed posture, keeping your shoulders down and your head level. Focus on a balanced grip, using your left hand to support the flute near the head joint and your right hand for the keys. Practice forming a clear embouchure, aiming for a steady, focused airstream across the lip plate. This foundational setup is crucial for producing a beautiful sound. Now, let's dive into the melody. Canon in D features a beautiful, flowing melodic line that repeats and develops. Concentrate on connecting your notes smoothly, aiming for legato sound without breaks. Think about the musical phrases as complete sentences, giving them shape and direction. Experiment with dynamics, playing some sections a little softer and others with more projection to add expression to your performance. Rhythm and tempo are vital for a cohesive performance. Strive to maintain a consistent beat from beginning to end. Start by practicing with a metronome at a very slow tempo, perhaps 60 beats per minute, to ensure accuracy in every note. Once you feel comfortable and confident at that speed, gradually increase the tempo by 5 or 10 beats per minute. This systematic approach builds solid rhythmic foundation. To master Canon in D, break the piece into smaller, manageable sections, perhaps 4 to 8 measures at a time. Focus on perfecting each section before connecting them. Listen to different recordings of the piece to gain inspiration and understand various musical interpretations. Consistent practice is key. Aim for at least 15 minutes of focused playing 5 days a week. Enjoy the process of bringing this beautiful music to life.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.